name is Javier Serrano. They call me Xavi. I was born in Barcelona. I've been living in Andalusia for a long time. I'm a software engineer and software passionate, especially about the engineering part. I like a lot to do sports. I like to spend time with family and friends and fight with my computer.
So my name is Ancizar, known as Anci for short, because some people struggle with that, but I'm also known as Alfonso. I'm engineering manager within Sabertech, so I actually manage the core lotteries platform where we actually support over 20 lotteries, 50 lotteries in 20 different markets. So in terms of key takeaways, one of the takeaways that we talked about today was actually not being afraid to fail. So when you are actually doing great and everything's working as normal, this is not when you're learning the most. The key learnings are always learning from failures, falling down and learning how to get back up from this. And what we took part of our presentation talked about is today, it's how to evolve from this and actually take those learnings.
I would say another key takeaway is that during all the process that we explained today, you need to be inclusive. You need to talk to people. You need to gather feedback. This is how you will really engage everyone to participate on all the process, and it will really improve the chances of success.
What would we have done different? Well, it relates back to what we were just discussing a second ago. I would look to see how we fail much quicker and learn from these experiences. So part of our transformation, actually, we took too long. We had opportunities and we did not take them. So it's actually looking to learn from our mistakes much more quicker and adopt this as part of our working culture.
Okay, the biggest challenge when we started to move towards the distributed world was to define the right balance between the level of autonomy that we provide to every team or domain versus the level of standardization across the company.
Cost of independence.
It's the cost of independence, exactly. And somehow, for example, in things like cross-domain testing strategies, where we want every team to be able to test in isolation, but at the end, the whole product as a whole needs to work. That was a challenge. Sometimes every domain was saying everything works for me, but when we put all the pieces together, it didn't work. So how to find a cross-domain strategy, given the level of isolation that every team requires, that was quite challenging.
So what everyone is talking about right now is artificial intelligence. Now, this is one of the things that we are beginning to contemplate and see how we can use this AI modeling tools and machine learning models as to actually develop features in-house. Things such as what we do right now is scraping lottery results. We have to do a lot of manual work here. And it's actually how we can do this with artificial intelligence, or even introducing blockchain technology for providing that security and control of the data and transactions that are being generated. These are two of the things that are on our radar, and we're pretty interested to begin to learn more about this.
Yeah. Maybe just I'm very interested on data mesh also, which tomorrow there are going to be amazing talks, I think, from ThoughtWorks. And also I am a little bit to add like this remote working world, no? That came because of the COVID. Yeah. No? We have to adopt it very quickly, but seems that there is a little bit of scale down now. So I'm really eager to see how that's going to work, if the companies are going to be able to provide the right ecosystem for everyone to work remotely, or we will go back. Something I would like to see. I think we'll start to see after the second half of the year.
It's been great.
It's been for me amazing. It's our first time we came here. We've been as attenders in some of the first edition, and now we've been presenting today, and we think it was quite fun. I don't know how much they learned, but at least people enjoy. They had fun. We even had the chance to dance. So, thank you.